I work for National Research Council, Indonesian National Research Council, and our activities is one of our activities is to establish a national research agenda. So this is can be correlated to the agenda of BOP for the bottom of the pyramid. Yeah.
So how does your agency organization encourage S&T innovations?
Yeah, you know, as I told you, one of our tasks is to make a research agenda. So also our task is to encourage how the science and technology communities could make a good research agenda based on 6 priorities. So we have 6 priorities or area for the research. It is for the food, energy, health and medicine, and then transportation, defense. Another 2 is basic science and socio-humanities. Yeah.
Can you give us a specific example of a BOP innovation that you think has a great potential in the BOP?
Yes, actually I have to admit that we are not focusing on the BOP. We have a priority, but in that 6 areas. But I think within the research activities there is actually some of activities that can be correlated to the BOP. Let's say the biogas come from the cattle waste, something like that for the rural areas, and also liquid waste treatment for the tofu industries is kind of small and medium enterprises. Yes, I think it's correlated to the BOP. Yeah.
So last question.
Yes.
Your advice for the project, and how would you recommend? I mean, how would we promote our project and our initiative to the BOP, especially to those who are and especially to the inventors who are coming up with these innovations?
Yeah. I think this is something new issues. How the science and technology also focusing on the BOP, and of course my suggestion is we have to socialize these issues to all the stakeholders, include the researcher itself and also the industries. And as a National Research Council, we have annually forum, let's say, to invited all the stakeholders for the research, and I think within that kind of forum we can socialize that BOP. Yeah.
How do you think will this project help, for example, the BOP in Indonesia?
I'm sure that there will be a very a good focusing on the BOP, yeah, because as I told you that actually some of our research activities also already for the BOP, and these issues has to be more socialized, and I think maybe it can be one of the national movement, something like that, because our BOP is around 49%, so half of the Indonesian people are in the BOP.